Welcome to the Barter Black platform. Barter Black is a bartering platform for Black entrepreneurs to exchange products and services with each other and help in order to help each other start, grow, and scale their business. This is the screen that you will see once you sign up. This is your entire dashboard and it opens up to available listings. You can click the next page and see how many listings that there are. I'm going to show you what's on the dashboard and then we'll go into the listings. So we have listings, we have orders. This is where you will see all the orders that you have purchased or that someone has purchased from you. You can also choose a listing to be in your favorites so you can come back to it. You also have a list of members, so you are able to go to a member's profile and learn more about them. Recently, we added request. This tab is for you to request a service, and members are able to see what you are requesting and let you know that they can actually perform those tasks. We actually added this tab because just because a product or service is not here in the marketplace does not mean someone in our network cannot help you. You also have messages. This is how our members communicate when or before they purchase a listing. Your wallet lists your transactions. It also lists how many Barter Bucks you have in your wallet. For opportunities, we have the events tab. This is also on the front end. We have the grant list and we also have the influencer program. Now the influencer program is, and I will go into that. Here is your link for the influencer program that you can share to the public. Once someone signs up using your particular link, their information will show up down here and you will earn 50 Barter Bucks per person who signs up. Then you have your profile. Your profile is super important because this is the things that are going to go on your business profile that other members can see. Your settings is where you go to update your account. And maybe you want to upgrade your plan from silver to gold. You can do those types of things, and there are also important links. And I will actually go into the settings so you can see the settings. So in settings, you have your account where you can update your information. You have billing and membership. You also have help and support. And then you also can select push notifications for the actual app. So this is the back end of the Barter Black platform. Once you join, you have access to all of these tools and tips. Next, we will work on going into a listing and seeing how to actually create one and actually purchase your first listing.